what a wonderful morning of day 2 of NASSCOM Product Conclave. Yesterday was a fantastic, fabulous day, brilliant conversations, great takeaways from our speakers, great questions from the audience. And this year NPC has been completely I must say, a very overwhelming experience for us to put this together as well, in terms of everything that has been happening over the last 10 months, in terms of the kind of conversations we are having with the council, the kind of conversations we're having with different companies, the kind of conversations we're having with the startups and our SME companies, and to congregate all that and bring this into the 3 days and 4 days at NPC is it's not an easy task for the team. And I do want to place my appreciation for the team and all the volunteers who make this happen. We had some wonderful sessions yesterday, key takeaways, a mind-blowing audience of close to 4,000 people across the day. And what do we look forward to today? Right? We have some great session coming from Tim Simons in conversation with Ravi Gurraj, conversation with Shruti Gandhi on the crystal ball gazing on deep tech change that it will bring, right? And these are things that we really want to know and understand a lot more. Betting big on India's deep tech, winning with AI. These are some brilliant conversations that we're having today with a conversation led by Rajat Tandon, conversation led by Naganand with Jaswinder Chadda. So I would just like to, tell everybody, please stay tuned. Catch our sessions on the Zettel. If you miss any of the sessions, we'll anyway have this in a short span of time on YouTube, right? And please, be our spokespersons for all that NASSCOM does in terms of the product initiative, and look forward to all of you being volunteers as well as we go forward. Another key thing that we've introduced this year is the whole student track, and we're extremely excited about that, which is on December 4th. Please do spread the word about that as well in your circles, and we would love to get the next generation of product managers into the pipeline early enough. So hope you all have a great day and look forward to your comments, your feedbacks, your questions, and we would look to answering most of that and seeing how do we build a lot of your questions into some of the plans and that we build as we go along as the product community and the product council. And do join our community and be part of it, because it takes all of us to build it to the next level, and that's what whole community and the ecosystem together can do wonders for this country. So thank you and have a great day.